Hi, I'm Anna. If you're thinking about trying Gelatine Sculpt, you need to hear this first because what I'm about to share can save you time, money, and a lot of frustration. I'm going to tell you the truth, the pros, the cons, and whether it's actually worth it. But before anything else, I need to give you a serious warning. If you decide to buy Gelatine Sculpt, be very careful where you purchase it. There are fake versions being sold online, and the only safe place to get the original product is through the official website. I've left the official link in the description and in the first comment so you can access it safely. Now, what is Gelatine Sculpt and does it actually work? Honestly, it can help, but not in the way most people expect. Gelatine Sculpt is a liquid supplement designed to support your metabolism, help control appetite, and keep your energy more stable throughout the day. Instead of forcing extreme weight loss, it works more naturally, helping your body manage cravings, use energy better, and stay consistent over time. So I decided to try it. In the beginning, I didn't notice anything dramatic. But within the first couple of weeks, I started feeling less hungry and more in control of what I was eating, and that's where things started to change. As I kept using it consistently, my cravings dropped, my energy felt more stable, and I didn't feel that constant urge to snack all the time. It wasn't a crazy overnight transformation, but it was real, steady progress. And honestly, that's what made the biggest difference. Now, let me be very clear about something. This is not magic. It's not going to work if you don't take it seriously. You need to use it consistently and give your body time to respond. Most people start noticing changes within a few weeks, but the best results come with continued use. Another thing that gave me some confidence is that it usually comes with a guarantee, so you can test it and see how your body reacts. But you also need to stay realistic. Some claims online are exaggerated, and not everyone will have the same results. Every body is different. So here's my honest opinion. If you're tired of strict diets, constant cravings, and feeling stuck, Gelatine Sculpt can be a helpful support tool to get you back in control. Just make sure you buy it from the official website to avoid fake products. The link is in the description and in the first comment. And if you do decide to try it, follow the instructions and stay consistent. I really hope this helps you make the right decision.